Hello, everyone. Yeah. What's up, guys? I don't know if I like that one either, but you know what? We went for it. We recorded it, and it's the episode for today. So, for this episode, we're going to talk about this concept called Confelicity, and Confelicity is part of our team culture. It's not just a word, it's something that we do. It is an action. And before I define it, I want to talk about something that we all go through, and that is jealousy. So when you are jealous of someone or envious of someone, but we'll focus on jealousy, you are seeing someone else's success, you're seeing someone else's results, you're seeing the nice car, the nice partner, the nice house, the whatever it is, you're watching this person, and for some reason, internally, you are getting frustrated and upset and angry at their success. So that's something that we all do, and that all happens to us at some point, and we become jealous, and it makes us feel internally uncomfortable. There's another term called schadenfreude. Schadenfreude is when you become happy or excited because of someone's dismay. It's when you see someone and their success, their failures, them being hurt, them being harmed, them having difficulties somehow makes you feel better. And that's schadenfreude. People who gain pleasure in this way more than likely want to cause more pain. And that's definitely not something that we're looking forward to or something that we would endorse definitely on our team. So let's flip that around. The opposite of schadenfreude is confelicity. Confelicity means that you are gaining joy, that you are happy and excited, and you're sharing in the love when someone else is doing something great, someone else is succeeding. So you're gaining joy from others' joy. So as they are succeeding, doing well, happy, creating, whatever it is, you are appreciating that moment of joy and you gain it. It's our almost mirror neurons or our physiology connecting, our empathetic selves connecting in that moment to that other person's happiness, and you feel it internally. And that's a great feeling. And so that's part of our team culture, and that's Confelicity. We are so inspired by their work. We're inspired by their work in some way that we feel inspired, that we want to create more joy. And so it's almost this energy of positivity that gets passed around. And I'm sure you've felt it before in some way whenever you're at like a big occasion, like a wedding or a celebration, or you're seeing someone win the gold medal at the Olympics. You just feel so good. And what I want to talk about a little bit too is not just the idea of confelicity, but I'd also want to share with you guys how you could apply it in your life and actually make it really tangible, because confelicity is not just a feeling, it's a feeling that can be transferred and allow us to actually amplify things. So if you see someone who's doing some great work and it gives you that confelicity, it gives you that feeling of joy, go ahead, especially now in the world of social media or in person, go ahead and compliment and share in the appreciation. Tell them how awesome what they did was. Tell them how inspirational they were. Tell them how amazing it is that you get to share in this moment with them. If what they're doing is something that inspires you, something that makes you happy, why don't you go ahead and ask them for advice or thoughts on whatever it is that was so amazing? So if there's someone that inspires you in the workplace and you just wish you could learn more about what they're doing to be so happy or excited in the workplace, why don't you tell them, like, look, you have this spark, you have this joy, you have this amazingness, this aura around you, and I'd love to learn more, like, what are you doing? And even if it's just a question, maybe it'll just make them feel good, but maybe they actually do have some thoughts, some things they can share. In the world of social media, one of the things you can do is when someone's doing great work and you appreciate that, reply on Twitter, reply on Facebook, reply on Instagram. Let them know how awesome it is. If you want to give them a huge compliment, share it on your channel. Let people know about this amazing individual who's doing such great work. It's awesome. It shares the love. It makes the world a better place to know that there's someone like this who's doing great work, and you can share in that. This is the work of doing Confelicity at scale. It's seeing joyous things, seeing positive things, and sharing it to the world, sharing it at scale. A lot of us naturally do this, and this is just so good. In a world where we're inundated and constantly being piled on with fear, with negativity, with the terribleness in the world, let's make the positivity louder. Let's show people that there's a lot of good out there, that there's people that are doing good, spreading good, whether it's community service, where it's talking about positive thoughts, whether it's people that are taking good action, whether it's people that are donating to good causes, whether it's us fighting for climate change or equal rights or what have you. Let's make positivity louder. When you gain joy, when you gain excitement from content, from things around you that just make you feel good, share it. Let that person know. Let social media know. Let the world know about these amazing people. And maybe, just maybe, ask them for your thoughts or gain the inspiration so that you too can take positive action. This show is all about this positivity. It's all about that love. It's about growing together. We're never perfect. We're never going to be 100%, but we can always emphasize those positive parts of ourselves and keep pushing towards a more positive world, more positive internal self, and grow together. So that is Confelicity. I hope we understand what Confelicity is. I hope we understand that we can put it to use at scale. And I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you guys enjoyed the content for today, please leave a 5-star review on iTunes. No, but seriously, please leave a 5-star review on iTunes. It's super helpful. It helps us get more visibility on the podcast. It lets people know who we are. And it's just you guys dropping the love. Again, Confelicity, drop in the love for us to know that you are listening. We super appreciate it. It always makes us feel good. And we love to get the 5-star reviews. So please leave it if you authentically want to share a review. Please also check out MedFlash Go. It is the first voice-based interactive medical question bank on Alexa, and it is awesome, and it helps medical students study on the go using just their voice. Imagine studying in your car on a commute. Imagine relaxing on the couch and being able to do questions and not strain your eyes. It is just a great tool. So check out medflashgo.com. That's medflashgo.com to learn more about this amazing tool. Have a good one, guys, and peace out.